Do you feel a sharp pain in your elbow when doing this exercise or this one for that matter? In today's video, I'm going to show you what you can do to alleviate that pain, and it's going to be very quick and simple. Let's go. Now, before we dive into that, look at this awesome cable pulley machine. I made this one myself, and I think you can do it as well. Link in the description. But let's talk about the elbow pain. For the longest time, whenever I did tricep exercises, whether it was push-ups or the tricep extensions, I always felt a sharp pain in my elbow. And what I learned is that it was basically all about where you're thinking about. So if we think about the triceps, what I did wrongly was I pushed from my elbows. I tried to do the exercise from my elbows because it's around the elbow that you're moving, right? But what that means is here there are no muscles, and by putting the emphasis here, you put a lot of stress on those tendons. What in fact you have to do is you have to focus on the tricep, where the muscle is mainly here in the armpit region. So when I'm doing this exercise and I feel a sharp pain, what I notice is that I was putting and pushing too much from my elbows out. And when I focus more on my armpits and more on the meat of my triceps and actually trying from there to push, I feel that the stress and the sharp pain is just dissipating from that area, and it starts to just feel like a muscle activation more in my tricep rather than a sharp pain in my elbow. So I think it's like Eric Thomas says, where your focus goes, your energy flows. And if you're focusing on your elbow, which is not your tricep that you're trying to strengthen, you're going to feel a sharp pain in your elbow, and you're going to put the emphasis too much on the wrong area. So focusing on the tricep muscle, focusing closely to your armpit is going to help you alleviate that pain from your triceps. Now, also, if you feel that you still have that pain, maybe back off a little bit with some lighter weight so you can really focus on that mind-muscle connection of the tricep muscle so that you learn to eliminate the emphasis from here. Boom. And that is how I got rid of sharp elbow pain in my elbow. So yeah, I don't know. It's my experience. That's what I learned, and that's how I got better, right? So yeah, try this one out. It's completely zero harm. If you're already having pain, it doesn't really hurt to just try and focus on another region and see if that works. So yeah, report back to me in the comment section below if this works for you. And if it doesn't, we can discuss. So I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Paisa!